Hey guys, I want to show you the Lodestar hack. This is the Larissa Holland Lodestar from MmmCrafts, and her pattern can be purchased through the link that I'll have in the notes. And what I've done here is when I printed out the pattern, I did it at 74% instead of at 100%. So this is a bit smaller than the original one that's meant for a full-size tree, but this very nicely fits our advent calendar when it's printed like this. And I also only did 1/2 because this side is not visible if your advent calendar is going to be on the wall. So I thought, let's save some time and energy and only do the one side, which looks great. The one thing I have to say, if you're going to do this, I think it's the most gorgeous looking star that you could possibly do for the top of the tree. But what I was careful with was when I was making it, and you get to the point where you're supposed to keep this bottom area free of glue, because she also has a dowel going through, but her dowel is much smaller than what I use for this application. So what I did was when I did all my sewing and everything, I did it while I had the dowel inserted in. So this is one in progress, but basically I had this inserted, then I did all my stitching and I continued on building the star, and that enabled me to create like this opening that was there and formed exactly to my dowel. And then if we decide to do that, you do need a much shorter dowel than for the Benzie star. So this one measures about 4 1/4 inches. And you can play with that. I mean, I've modified this several times. I haven't been happy with the height, so I pull it off. I use a small saw to get it to the right size. But it looks fabulous. And so if you've got some time and I want to give this pattern a try, I'm going to put the link in the notes below.